Here we're evaluating some logarithmic expressions. And just as a refresher on logarithms, when we have something like this, log base 5 of 25, what that's really saying is, if you take 5, what power do you raise it to get 25? Well, then that's clearly 2, because 5 squared is 25. So the base is the number you're acting upon. This is sort of like the answer. If you put it in exponential form, it would be 5 to the what power equals 25. And it's that 2 we're looking for. Let's try another one here. This one says log base 10 of 10 to the negative third. So what it's asking is, if you take 10 to some power, what power is that where it's going to equal 10 to the negative third? And you can probably see the way this is written. Well, obviously, if you take 10 and put it to the negative third, that's going to equal 10 to the negative third. So the answer there is simply negative 3. That one, the answer is kind of given to you right in the problem. Let's try another. This one says log base 4 of 1/64. So what power would you raise 4 to get 1/64? And there's a couple of things here. Maybe you can think about this in 2 steps. First of all, to get that 64, well, 4 to the third power is 64, but this is 1/64th, so you might recognize that 4 to the negative third would actually give you 1/64th. So the answer on this one is negative 3. Let's look at one more. This one says log base 25 of 5. So what power do you raise 25 to get a 5? Well, 5 is clearly the square root of 25, so we're raising it to the 1/2 power, which is the same as taking the square root. So that's a little bit about evaluating logarithmic expressions.